alaikum, my respected teachers and dear class fellows. Today we are going to revise the portion of science till 20th June. In science, we studied about matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. There are three types of matter: 1. Solid, 2. Liquid, 3. Gas. And there are four properties of matter: 1. Shape and volume, 2. Compressibility, 3. Rigid or fluid, 4. Fills its container completely. Now let's talk about the first type of matter, that solid. Solid has a fixed shape and solid also has a fixed volume. Solids solids are incompressible. We can't compress solid. Solids are rigid. 4. Solids doesn't fill their container completely. 2. Liquid. Liquid doesn't has a fixed shape but it has a fixed volume. Liquids are also incompressible. 3. Liquids are fluid. 4. Liquids doesn't fill their container completely. Now let's talk about the third type of matter, that's gas. Gas doesn't has a fixed shape nor fixed volume. 2. Gas are compressible. 3. Gas are also fluid. 4. Gas fills its container completely. Matter Matter are made up of very tiny particles, and there are 3 points to compare at particle level. 1. Distance between the particle. 2. Force of attraction between the particle. 3. Kinetic energy of particles. Now let's talk about the three matters and compare them at particle level. 1. Solid. Distance between the particle of solid is very small. Force of attraction between the particle of solids is very strong, and kinetic energy between the particle of solids is small. 2. Liquid. Distance between the particle of liquids are larger. Force of attraction between the particle of liquid are weaker. Kinetic energy between the particle of liquids are larger. 3. Gas. Distance between the particle of gas is very large. Force of attraction between the particles of gas is very weak. Kinetic energy between the particle of gas is maximum. Jazakumullah khair. Now let us learn effects on matter. Temperature and pressure can change the state of matter. For example, if we take water and freeze it, it will become in solid state. If we take out the frozen water and keep it in room temperature, it starts melting and becomes a liquid state. Then if you boil that water, then it changes into gas state as a water vapor. Temperature at which water starts boiling is called boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Temperature at which water starts melting is called melting point of water, which is 0 degrees Celsius. Second, pressure. There are two processes of pressure to change the state of matter: condensation and sublimation. Condensation is a process where gas is changed into liquid, which is used to form LPG and CNG. 2. Sublimation. Sublimation is a process where solid changes into gas. For example, we take an experiment. We take ammonium chloride in a plate and cover it with turn funnel and cover the mouth of the funnel with a cotton. If we start burning the ammonium chloride in the plate, and we see that ammonium chloride cannot come out because the mouth of the funnel is closed, we see vapor inside the funnel. So it is sublimation, where solid goes into gas state without going into liquid state. Jazakumullah khair.